Hello everyone, the topic is structure of insulin. So it is in the part of applied biology second year zoology. Already we studied the insulin and glucagon hormones which are secreted by the pancreatic gland in the endocrine system. But here the structure of insulin is important 4 marks in IPE. This is in the part of applied biology. So with the help of biotechnology, with the help of rDNA technology, how the medicine is going to be prepared. So that is the topic in applied biology. So structure is very much important in 4 marks. So before going to the structure of insulin, we have to know the prior information regarding the insulin. So insulin is a protein hormone. It is produced from the pancreatic B cells. Already we know in the pancreas we have two type of glandic nature, exocrine part, endocrine part. Exocrine part is called islets of Langerhans. It has 3 type of cells. Alpha cells produce glucagon, beta cells produce insulin. Endocrine part, ductless part, it has a name acini. This produce the pancreatic enzymes or pancreatic juice. So from pancreas, exocrine nature, it has a islets of Langerhans in 3 type of cells. Beta cells will produce insulin. So here it is produced from the pancreatic B cells, and it is not administered by orally. It is injected via insulin pump. Why? Because it is a protein hormone. So the protein is break down in the stomach before it is absorbed. So that is why it is not taken by orally. It is taken by injection via insulin pump. So what is the function of insulin means? To uptake the glucose levels in the blood, and also it promotes the glycogenesis, lipogenesis and protein synthesis. That is the function of insulin. So here we have to know the structure of insulin. This is important. So it is made up of 51 amino acids. In that 51 amino acids, 21 contain A chain. A chain having 21 amino acids. B chain contain 20. Here A 21, B 30 amino acids. These two are combined with these two are combined with disulfide bonds. So here in mammals and in human, the insulin is in inactive state, that is called proinsulin, just like a proenzymes. So the proinsulin contain including A and B chains and also extra C stretch, that is called C peptide. But in the mature insulin, there is no C peptide, only having A chain and B chain with the disulfide bond. So there is no C peptide chain. So in the MCQ they may ask C peptide present in proinsulin or mature insulin, and which type of cells will produce the insulin. A chain contain how many amino acids, B chain contain how many amino acids. These are important for MCQ along with the IPE. And already we discussed, with the help of rDNA technology the insulin is prepared. So that is why we are studied in the biotechnological applications in medicine. So firstly in 1983, Eli Lilly company, this is the American company, they produced the Humulin. So it is a artificial insulin. This is not synthesis in human, but it is produced in the laboratory with the help of Escherichia coli, with the help of rDNA technology. So before rDNA technology, they prepared Humulin from the cattle and pig, but this Humulin is prepared from the pancreatic cells of cattle and pig, but these two are non-human cells of pancreas. That is why they are showing allergic reactions, and also it has a allergic nature, and also it is very costly. So that is why they are prepared with the help of rDNA technology as a Humulin. So this is the information regarding structure of insulin, but in the IPE only the structure of insulin for 4 marks. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.